Hi, congratulations. You've just started your journey of exploring Glue and Glue's platform features, everything around. I'll quickly show you how to find the Glue TV app for your television. And I'll have another video for you to see how to create your account and manage and add a couple of things to your dashboard to manage your televisions and its in-store marketing collaterals. So the first thing over here on your television, when you see it, you have to go to your app section and you open the Google Play Store. You can search for this as well and you will find it. I'll just quickly sign in to my Google Play Store uh, if you don't, if yours probably would be signed in already. Once you're signed in, you can go to the app section in Google Play Store and search for GLOOTV or Glue TV, which is the application. This is our application over here, GlooTV Business and Signage app. Click on install. It'll take a few seconds to install. Once done, let's open up the GlooTV app. We've successfully now installed the GlooTV app on your television. You can either log in with your account details, which is your email ID password, which same used on your dashboard, or you can log in with the TV code. We recommend the TV code method. You can enter the code which either is available on your dashboard within the TV tab, or you can the one which we've pre-shared with you. You can enable this for advanced control. Once this is done, you would be able to see the playlist which you have created on your dashboard. Every single image or video upload which you have done over here. Right. Just start your playlist and it will start playing whatever you have added to your playlist. On the bottom right corner, you would see the logo of your brand. And in the top right one over here is part of the design itself, but it will keep changing. So this will be a constant bottom right work coordinates logo where you see over here. This will be the logo of your brand. So it gives a white labeled consistent brand establishment for your customers. And this is a simple application just so that you can see everything around it. On the top right corner, the green button or the red button shows the internet connectivity on your television as such. You can retry if you have if you have an internet issue going on and some other settings over here. Thank you so much.
Hey there, this is a quick tutorial on how to create your Glue account for your business and then go ahead and use it using on the Glue TV on your televisions as well. XYZ restaurant. Please enter your email ID at gluetv.app, whatever your email ID is, and enter a secure password. It must be 8 characters long. Your account is now created TV. So this is going to be your dashboard for controlling your television, your content, all kinds of your marketing materials will be on this platform. The first thing which we need to do is to go create a playlist. Say trial playlist 1. This has created our playlist. A playlist is primarily the item which is played onto your Glue TV app. So now that we've created a playlist, we can start uploading some material to showcase on the TV. For this demo video, I'll just upload, let's say, a short video. Yeah, this looks pretty. So I'll just upload this. All of this will be the name of your file which you've added. We support MP4, image, any kind of video as well. Once this is uploaded, it will redirect us to the uploaded item screen. If you want, you can apply a template on this, more on this a little later. Now you can add this to your playlist. Once this is added to your playlist, you can see this on your TV. The second part of this is to go to your TV's tab over here and see, notice your ID, your TV ID over here. It's written on the over here. Over here we have 961368, right? So now we'll just download the GlooTV app and enter this ID over there. Hi, this is a quick video about how to upload mobile videos on your account. Let's go ahead and choose a video which is in mobile format, which is the landscape, which is 9 by 16 aspect ratio. I'm using one video which we've had. I'm going to upload this first. Once uploaded, I will proceed to the detail page of the promotion. I can see my review, the video which I just uploaded. Now there is a button in the bottom over here called the optimized version. As there are different televisions with different operating systems, the GlooTV app tries to make sure that all of your content which you've uploaded is exactly how you upload it. But there are some television models where the asset which is being uploaded, whether image or video, might stretch and expand beyond to fulfill the entire full screen of the television. This functionality makes sure that we don't have those issues when you're playing. So you can click on apply template over here. This will take about 60 seconds. This template is personalized, and some of you might already have this in your account. If you don't, please reach out to me on WhatsApp, and we will create a customized one with your brand and QR code so that your mobile videos look very seamless on the television and they have a nice brand appeal to you. Now, we'll just wait till the time this happens. As you can see, it is now updated. The page will auto refresh and this new optimized version would be available. It's added the video in the middle of a beautiful layout, which is branded and themed according to you. Now we can add this again to our playlist. This will ensure that no image or video is distorted on our business televisions, and they always have a branded feel to it. This is specifically very useful for our integrations with Instagram, where automatically your reels and posts are put up on your television. This one is exactly where this workflow is exactly how to ensure that all of them are very nicely displayed on your television for your customer satisfaction. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Hi, I'll quickly just show you how to integrate your Google My Business account or Google Business profile with your Glue Business account so that your reviews start showcasing on the dashboard, and then you can choose which ones to showcase on your Glue TV. You will land on a page like this when you click on Google Reviews on the left side tab. This is available on the mobile as well as desktop, so you can access it from either place. The most important thing over here is to make sure that you're logged into the same Google account as your Google Business profile, the one which it is linked with. You can click over here, choose your account, allow, give it access so that Glue can access your your Google Business accounts. Now choose a business over here, which you have. And now just wait till the time all your reviews are being synced with the Glue Business dashboard. Once it's done, click on proceed, and you'll be able to see all of your reviews over here. Right now, by default, you'll be seeing 5 reviews of each rating. If you want to see more, you can click on the rating which you want to see more of, the order, and then you can choose, let's say 100, right? Like how many ever reviews you want to see. So now you'll be able to see all of the reviews which are 5-star rated for your business. Once this is done, you can click on one of the reviews. You can generate the review image, which needs to be added to your playlist, which will then be played on your television. Now that this is generated the image, it takes just a second. You can add it to the playlist which you've created. Right now in this account, we have only one playlist, so you can add it over here. You can see that it has been successfully added. Just to verify, we'll just open the playlist again. And you can see that the review has been successfully added over here. Now this will play for 15 seconds after our first video which we added. Thank you.